Crafted with love, understanding the essence of a heartfelt phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and expressive phrase, crafted with love. This phrase is not just about the words, but the emotions and intentions behind them. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it so special in English. Crafted with love is a phrase that combines two powerful words, crafted and love. To understand this phrase fully, we need to look at each word separately. Crafted. This word implies something made with care, skill, and attention to detail. It's often used for handmade items but can extend to anything that requires a personal touch. Love, one of the most profound emotions. Love in this context signifies affection, care, and dedication. When combined, crafted with love means something made with great care and affection, as if the creator has poured their heart into it. It's not just about the physical act of making something, but the emotional investment as well. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are some common scenarios. Artisanal products. For handcrafted items like pottery, jewelry, or baked goods, crafted with love emphasizes the personal effort and care put into making them. Personal projects. When you create something for someone special, saying it's crafted with love highlights your emotional investment. Service and hospitality. In services, this phrase can signify the extra mile someone goes to ensure comfort and satisfaction. In all these contexts, crafted with love adds a layer of emotional warmth and authenticity to the message. The phrase, crafted with love, also carries a cultural significance. It reflects a value system where personal effort, care, and emotional investment are appreciated. In a world often dominated by mass production, this phrase celebrates the unique and the heartfelt. It's a reminder of the human touch in our lives. So, crafted with love is much more than a phrase. It's a testament to the beauty of creating with care, affection, and dedication. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this lovely expression. Keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, the most beautiful things in life are often those crafted with love. See you in our next video.